Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a Tory tri-tier wall shelf. And I got this idea from Pinterest, and then Pinterest took me to Urban Outfitters. And Urban Outfitters had the same shelf that I made today for $50. Now I'm going to tell you, this shelf cost me way less than $50 to make. But before we get started, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the like button. And let's go. Okay, so I already have everything measured out and drawn on my boards to where I'm going to cut today. I do have my wood secured down with my clamps. So basically, the measurements that I came up with for where I'm going to put it, it's going to be 18 inches long, and the boards are going to be 18 inches wide as well. So everything is going to be the same measurements. And then also in the boards, we're just going to place them in different spots to make the fixture look different. So I have everything on here drawn out, and now it's ready for me to saw. Okay, so now that we have them cut, I'm just gonna sand them down a little bit just to get the little roughness off. And these boards, they don't need much sanding, so it won't take a whole bunch of effort. It's just a little buffing off, and then I'll paint them. Okay, you guys, so we sanded our board, so now we're going to paint, but before we do that, we need to get a damp cloth, and we need to wipe off all of our boards to get all the excess sanding off of them. Okay. Okay, so next it's time to either paint or stain your wood, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna paint mine white because that's what I want to go with I'm doing today. So let's get painting. Okay, you guys, so my paint is dry on my boards. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the 4 boards, and this is going to be the back part, and then the other 3 are going to be placed on here for the shelving. So I already have my marks of where I want to put my boards at. And of course yours may be different from mine. It just depends on how big you want them and all type of stuff. But all my boards are the same size. They're 18 inches each. And I'm going to have a board at 2 inches, 8 inches, at 16 inches, and then the last little piece will be 2 inches left at the end. Okay. Okay, so I already have my measurements where I want to put the boards on each part of the slab, but I also want it to be in the middle. So I'm just going to measure the width of it. So now that I know the middle of my board, that's the line that I want to use to put all my boards on to keep it in the middle. I'm also going to mark where I'm going to put each board so I know where to drill at. Okay, you guys, so in order for me to screw my boards into this one board, I have to create a hole. So I have a bit on my drill, and I already have my marks, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a hole for each. Okay, so I have one shelf in, but I just want to pretty much show you how to do it. So you will need 2 screws, and you also want to make sure you use a leveler to make sure this is leveled up top when you're screwing them in. So you want to make your holes, and then you want to put your board up to this board and screw them in. And you want to keep doing that for your next 2 rows. Okay, you guys, I just want to thank you for coming to watch my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something and got some tips and tricks. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me what you want to see next. I love to get new ideas. I only can come up with so much. So I would love to hear some new things and try them out and see if I can do them for you guys so you'll be able to do it yourself as well. So thank you again, and see you next time.